I'm the champ. I am No Coast New England. We have a fire battle for y'all. Got another co-host with me?
You know the fucking Barz, GK, the gun guard. Two things niggas can't beat. That's guns and guard. TBL.
Yo, what's up? It's the CEO, man, TBL. You know what it is. Battle on my left.
It's Nino fucking Barz, Money Train, game changer shit. I'm about to kill this fat nigga. That's it, nigga. That's it. And I'm a grown ass man. This nigga touch me, he gay, my nigga. That's it. Don't touch him! Don't.
Battle on my right.
It's Mr. Catch him while he's chilling at home. I'm about to rip this nigga's pockets right off his fucking jeans.
No, I got no phone. Hold on. Fuck the corny set. It's on Nino. Let's go, dog.
Hold it down.
Hold it down.
You ready? This nigga talk about me choking. I'm like, why you hating, fag? You in the bag if we get a shaking crab, or it's two cannons on the side like the Haitian flag. Oh, he's scared. Oh, he's scared. Like Nino about to cook me. Nigga, the shit I do off the wall. He run, I throw a round at his back like we playing whoopsies. Yeah, DWI trash. I'll cook y'all. Yeah, you cooking, but look how long it took y'all. You got your bandana on you? I snatched that shit off your side like flag football. Nigga. He got me laughing like, bitch, please. Someone tell him I keep the pistol on my side like Swiss Beats. Oh, you 5'9" Hoover? With his blick leave him 6 feet. Nigga, for the record, I do him filthy if I feel disrespected. You watch the movie Straight Outta Compton, well, I'm like OG Two-Tone. I eat you crip niggas for breakfast, nigga. Go. After this battle, y'all gonna see me arranging a smack. I hit him, like run up on him when he exchanging his dap. That's when I text him, Southside Rich. That mean, run up on him and bang on his cat. After this battle, y'all gonna see me arranging a smack. I hit him and run up on him when he exchanging his dap. That's when I text him, Southside Rich. That mean, run up on him and bang on his cat. Nigga, they say he the beast, and I'm thinking the nerve though. When that nigga Southside gave me the beast like he was Herbo, nigga. Hold on. Yo, Chongi, what you wanna do? Let me tell you what this gonna do, nigga. You was battling gutter, spin in front of 40. Now back in gutter, this 40 spin in front of you, nigga. Go! Kill him! Nigga, he attacked to diss me on Facebook and get crazy with my cam until I get my dog the pistol and my man's way to talk to my dog when talking in real life. That's that new lady in the trip, nigga. Hold on.
Stop. Hold it down, bro. Run that shit back.
Him being me, he a vicious liar. Mediocre nigga to a gifted writer. I be spitting real life shit and y'all like I'm spitting fire. Even though I'm a funny nigga, I'm known for the toy like Richard Pryor, nigga. Just bars, nigga, that's what it is, nigga. Hold on. Y'all jokes. I ain't had to call folks. You get stomped on like raw dope and get put in a box like bar soaps, nigga. That's sick time, nigga, that's it.
Hold on.
All right, Chongi, whenever you're ready.
Talk your shit.
Come here. I want to hear it. I like it all. I can get some shit.
Yo, go get him the water.
I'm on the store. I'm on the store right now.
What does it mean?
I can feel the tension.
What does it mean?
Ready?
Hold on.
You said something about Straight Outta Compton.
That shit was fire.
I'm nice with it. Trust.
Fire.
You talking about the situation with the blood, right? It's crazy because you're gonna be that kid scared on the bus, nigga. I'm nice. Hey, yo, let me start this off by saying. Let me start this off by saying. What up, bitch? Nigga, when I shoot my gun, I love that fucking sound. You can either be Nino on the roof or Nino on the front. You can either be Nino on the roof or G Baby on the ground, nigga. You want a big bad for men. Well, nigga, that's gonna take a toll, nigga. Big bad for men, it'll take your soul, Nino on me, and I'll let it blow. I can rock niggas with a rock, nigga. Then take a step and put the round in his stomach, then take the shot. Yeah, nigga, the give and go. Nigga battling me, should open your eyes. It ain't a joke. You say you pop guns, and in your biggest battle, you fucking choke. Nigga, you had a gun in your face, and you did nothing. And you did nothing. Let me guess, your Beretta broke? Nigga, you died to folk. Nigga, you died to folk. Let me see you saying, let them say he getting green. And I'm at his house like I'm on order check. I got a new gun, and it ain't broke, so don't choke. It's a new Beretta. Hey, yo, if he start moving, put the beam on him and start blasting him. I came in clutch with the middle shifter, but y'all don't think I'm fast as him? Nigga, you're basura. But you thinking I'm trash than him. We started off with a headshot for thinking he had a bright idea. It's ironic, because it's flashing and his light got dim. That was crazy, right? Because they tell you not to walk into the light, to the gun in your face, bam, that shit get crazy bright. Oh. That was fire, okay? Stop playing. That was fire. Y'all don't think I'm nice as him? Y'all don't think I'm nice as him? So listen, Papa. Hey, yo, cuz, get the chopper. Hoover shit, 2 for 6. If we catch, you better let us in, because if we catch up with our kind of minutes, we nickname this the Whopper. We nickname this the Whopper. Go ahead and try, son. Go ahead and try, I fucking dare you. Go ahead and try, son, and you're gonna be ghost. Rico, you're gonna lose all your power. I can have my shooters hit up Barz for cheap. Nigga, it's happy hour. Let's play a game called Swear to God. Swear that shit, man. Swear to God, you didn't sit there and one brother lift your brother up.
Nigga, swear to God.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. 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 You didn't do shit. Nigga, shut the fuck up. You didn't do shit. You fucking coward. Stupid dog, you made him look bad. This nigga useless. It'll be a whole nigga masked up at his crib. Useless. Hey, yo. That I don't like. And if you don't like that last comment, nigga, we can fight. But just know, like Kevin Hart, you're going night. Nigga, everybody's human, but trust, bro, I'm a different type. And I'll jump through these floors just like Mike. Nigga, don't let me catch you in my sight. Because, homie, that'd be the end of your life. And my man said your girl pussy wet. So he gave it pipe. Nigga, I'll jab you my left, so you know I'm right. Nigga, you ain't got no flow, so I know you tight. Nigga, you ain't nice, so... Nigga, if you go to RI, we didn't give you no okay. It'll be AKs just all day and the contact to your head like hairspray. Yes, we do. Yes, we don't play. I say what I gotta say. Your brother tucked his fucking dick on social media. You're fucking gay. Nah, you ain't fired. And he's fucking gay. You spitting fire? Well, cool. I got a knight in shining arm. I came here to dragon slay. Nigga, I could never settle. Because you rappers like the metal. I'll hit you with that metal. That's big bad for men. I got this heat like the devil. When they see me, niggas just nod. They don't even say hello. Nigga, I'm just like a car. Because I'm pedal to the metal. Hey, yo, little fellow, you want to glance at this bezel? My dude, you get served. Like I'm working at Chongi. These rappers all boulders, I'm just turning them to pebbles. Now watch me go bam, bam. Damn, man, I'm the damn man. The fucking hollow point hit his forehead, the exit wound, expand like a rubber band. Nigga, I rack on your shit. Nah. Word out loud, rack on your shit, and then I ran. Nigga, I bust your then I ran. Nigga, I bust your whole shit. That's what I'm saying. Nigga testing me in my weapon beam. My Smith & Wesson C will leave you dead eventually. That's just for testing. You niggas do nada, the bala to chacada. Nigga, it's just like a magic trick. You'll disappear, voila. Nigga, let's get something straight. You ain't never been that nice. And I say that to say this, because if you act stupid, I'll shoot you in your fucking head in your twin field. You see how you start to reminisce? I'm just crazy when I speak. Niggas talking to me. I tell them, G, hey, Hoods, if this nigga gay is right now, and his brother, Milk 'em Hoods, see the difference is? Nah, you didn't catch that. Milk 'em Hoods, you get the carpet handle on me too. be a graduation at his hood. Ask me why. That ain't nothing but a round of applause. You act dumb, bitch. You act dumb, bitch. I'm gonna tell you what, you fat nigga, you must be skinnier than me, so let's put you in a hospital bed like Rick Ross, you dumb motherfucker. I don't care what you saying, keep on playing. The only thing I can do is turn like, hey, see how what I'm saying? The difference is, y'all didn't catch that. You see how you mess with me? That was a bar from Super. You don't get what I'm saying, G. Let me sit back and tell you this. I lost you? Cool. Him, better stop it, because I'll punch you, yo. You get the green, you get a bald head. That's
You need all this. You need all this. No bullshit. You need all that. Ball after ball.
Yeah.